So my son was out here last night chopping some wood up, and this old fiberglass handle broke off the axe head. You realize what time it is?
Yeah. I'm gonna stop.
Okay.
At 11.
Oh, you gotta stop now.
Gotta stop now.
You can't make noise after 10.
Oh, man. Yeah.
But this is good. We'll continue it in the morning or tomorrow sometime.
Wow.
You did good. So I've got the old axe head, and I want to repurpose it. I'm going to try to take some of this trampoline metal, shape it, and weld it into the old head. See how that turns out. So I'm thinking something like that. Coming out. Perfect. Drive it home. I think I'd rather have it lean back a little, but I can weld it.
Yeah. I'll just fill that up. Fill that.
All right, I can weld right on top, fill all that in. And I like that there's a hole going all the way down it,
Yeah.
because then the water
Or stay
just
out
go
of
right
it.
through. Let me get the welder set up.
It looks good. Yeah. Good looking welds.
Quenched it, made it stronger. Got your railroad spike. I left it open in the center so that moisture can just not get trapped, just lays around out here, just so it's handy, so someone can grab it and use it when needed. came off this old fiberglass handle. Went ahead and welded all around, closed in all the gaps. So it should be nice and strong. I'll give it a test here, try it out. Not bad, not bad. And over the years, whenever a rake or shovel breaks, I'll take some of this old trampoline we had. You know, it's that galvanized steel. So I took it apart and saved a lot of the straight pieces. I'll use them for shovels. Just beat it down in there and weld it. Use it for a sledgehammer. That thing I probably had 8 years. This I just drilled holes and refastened it to that. And the rake, welded it down through there. So she get a lot more life out of that. It's better than just when something breaks, throwing it away and going and buying a new one. The shovel, when I built this shop here and dug out this area all through here, dumped the dirt back in here, and I've been using this shovel to move this dirt around the yard. I mean, it was a huge pile. It has not filled yet. And it might be a little bit heavier, but I don't know. I'll take it. I don't have no problem with it. it's gonna hold up. And you can see it's quite a bit shorter than the old fiberglass handle, and you'd think the vibration would hurt, but can't even tell. I don't even feel it in it. I'm sure if I was doing it all day long, it'd get old, but honestly, I can't even feel the vibration just cutting this stuff up. The biggest worry is just it cracking around the welds, but I put a beating on it and it's holding up pretty good. I think this axe is going to hold up for many years. Let the rain hit it. Bugs can't eat it. Yeah, it's going to rust a little bit, but it'll give it some character.